Hey everybody, it's time for the unboxing of the PIZZELLO FORTE.
The PIZZELLO FORTE is packed very, very well. Everything was in its place, securely wrapped inside the Forte oven, which really saved space inside the box and also assured that this unit, when shipped anywhere, will not incur any damage. The really cool thing about this is a portable pizza oven, and they give you a fantastic case with straps to carry this with. A really nice touch to the PIZZELLO FORTE. I really like the wood-handled pizza peel. The propane gas hose is also included, which includes the regulator. If you're going to configure the unit for gas, then you probably will want to use the small little black handle, but if you're going to configure it with the wood hopper, this is a handle you can use to open and close the hopper tray. I would suggest using the little black handle you'll see later on, because most likely if you're using gas, there will never be a need to open up that top area to feed the hopper, and the handles will hit. So I would use the small black knob for the top and then the longer handle for the bottom. It comes with all the tools you need. You don't need any power tools. It's super, super easy to assemble.
So to replace the handle, you're going to take out the standard screws that came with it, and you'll see there's 3 fatter screws, and you have a ceramic washer. We're going to use that to attach the black handle. Ceramic washer goes here, and we're going to screw it together. And the ceramic washer will protect that plastic against the heat. And you just have to hand screw it, no tool needed. There you go. I actually like the aesthetics of this a little better.
To assemble the front door on the PIZZELLO, all you have to do is screw in the handle and you're good to go. 2 screws is all it takes. I hope you're paying attention because I'm watching you. The rear wood pellet hopper has a handle that's simple to put on. 2 screws, you're good to go. Just give it a nice tight snug. You don't have to crank on it, and that's all you need.
You can do this, or you can replace it with the black knob. Your choice. Next, I'm going to install the isolation plate. That's going to have to go inside, so we're going to turn the unit over. Now, the isolation plate we're going to place upside down because we have the unit upside down, and these cutouts right here are where the isolation plate's going to go. So we're going to reach inside, bring it back, hold it in place, and there I can see the holes are ready to be screwed in. And we're going to place this inside. Now, it's important to know, see this bent lip? That's going to go towards the back of the unit. The unit's upside down. This is upside down. We're going to slide it in. You don't want to put it in with the lip facing the front opening. You want it towards the rear. And that lip's nice because you can hold the screws in place with that lip, and we can start putting it on. Really simple. Everything lines up perfectly. All you need is a simple tool for this. You do not need to crank this. Nice, just snug, easy tightening is all you need. There we go, the isolation plate's installed. Check out these sexy portable legs. Folding, all stainless steel. It looks great. Now you can configure the PIZZELLO FORTE for wood pellets, or gas. If you're going to do wood pellets, we're all done. Here's the wood pellet hopper tray, the wood tray. Just slides in the back like that. That's going to light your fire. We've got the plate separating that. It's going to heat this up. We'll be good to go. If you want to use the gas, there's a little conversion we do. Very simple. We're just going to put this plate on. It actually snaps on the back. We'll show you that. Put the gas attachment in, and you're ready to go. So your choice, but it's really easy to convert back and forth depending on what you desire. For the gas unit, we're going to put on our plate. Slides over the top, and you've got 3 screws. We're going to put it on. Because there's brass fittings with this attachment, you do not need to crank these screws down. I want to emphasize that because I could see very easily how somebody can end up stripping their screws, and you don't want to strip your screws. Just a nice snug hand tighten. Plate's attached. We're ready to insert it in the back of the oven. Tighten these screws up. And that's it. Our gas attachment is ready to go. Next, we're going to insert the pizza stone. There are 4 metal lifts inside the oven. You'll see the stone just gets placed right on top. There we go, the pizza stone's inserted. Next, I've put the stovepipe top on, and we're going to put the pipe on the oven. Just a little shake. It's firmly seated.
Attach a regulator hose and just fasten it until it's hand snug. Then you want to take your battery, insert it the correct way, and then turn your gas on.
Press and test to make sure your igniter works. Good to go. Turn it on, press, and ignite the gas.
Here you can see our flames ignited and we're ready to heat up. Now we're looking for that positive rate of climb on our thermometer, and it is going up quick. We're almost 300 degrees in about 2 minutes.
And now check out the next video to see me cooking on the Pizzello Forte.